Hello everyone, my name is Julie White. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. We know some of you are working remotely for the first time due to the coronavirus. So today, I want to give you a few tips for working at home with Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is an application that helps you stay connected to the people and information you need to get your job done. So while you're working from home, Microsoft Teams is going to be a great hub for you to be working in. Let's just walk through the interface to give you a little bit of an idea of how it functions. The activity area will show you mentions, replies, or other notifications when people are trying to get a hold of you, whether it's in a team or an individual chat or a meeting. The chat area will allow you to speak or communicate with folks one-on-one. You can talk to groups of users as well through the chat area. Chats are not associated to a team, so you can think of these like instant messages or even a text thread. If you have chats that you frequent often, you can pin them to the top of your list so that you can access them easier. To do that, click on the ellipses and select Pin. You can also rename group chats. Group chats are chats that include 3 or more people. To rename a group chat, click on the edit icon in the chat. Just note that name changes for group chats are visible by all members. Teams are really where the collaboration happens in this application. A team is a group of users who work together often. Within a team, you'll notice multiple channels. Channels within a team help you organize the information being stored and worked on there. By default, all teams have a general channel, and you can add more as needed. To add a new channel, click on the ellipses and say Add Channel. Information stored in a channel should be centered around a specific topic. Channels really help you break down and organize your topics of information and maybe even projects that you're working on. Within a channel, you have a Posts section. The Posts tab allows you to communicate with other members of your team. You can make posts about a specific topic. You could use them as brainstorming sessions. And another example would be to have a conversation about a specific file you might be working on. Another tab within a channel are files. You can upload or create files in a specific channel in the Files tab. Files in this design channel will not show in the other channels in this team. The channels, again, help you organize the information and documents on that specific topic. One thing to note is that the posts offer you formatting options that are a little bit different from the chat feature. You can actually start a new conversation, or you can create an announcement. Once you have a post, notice that there's a reply option. You want to make sure that you're always replying to posts in the thread. That way, you're not starting new conversations about a topic that's already been posted. This will keep all of the information on that specific topic, all of the conversations together. Don't forget to use @mentions as well. To @mention someone, simply type the @ symbol and start typing their name. The list will narrow and you can select them. Then type your message. When you hit send, a notification will be sent to this person, letting them know that there's a call out that they need to pay attention to. The calendar area in Teams shows you your schedule at a glance. You can change the view with this little drop down on the right-hand side. You can view a specific day, the work week, which is Monday through Friday, or the full week, which includes Saturday and Sunday. From here, you can join meetings that are team meetings, but it's also showing you items that aren't necessarily online meetings. So it's just letting you know what your schedule looks like. To create a new meeting, you can select the New Meeting button here on the right-hand side. When you fill out this form and say Save, it will add the meeting to your calendar. You can also use the Scheduling Assistant to give you free busy information on other attendees who you're trying to meet with. This will help you create a meeting that works for everyone's schedule. The calling feature in Microsoft Teams allows you to call someone that you might need to get a hold of. You can see on the contact cards, it offers me the ability to start a video call or just an audio call. The Files area will show you recent documents that you've worked on, all files that you have access to in any of the teams you're a member of, and also shows you where they're located here in this location column. You even have access to OneDrive for Business from this space. I hope this quick overview on Microsoft Teams will help you as you work from home. Stay safe, everyone, and thank you for watching.